Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a build in phanteks evolv Shift X. Is an ITX build with an I9-9900KF. Here are the parts. Motherboard from Gigabyte Hours Z390 Pro Wi-Fi, NVMe Samsung 960 Evo 500 gigs, a decent cooler from Cooler Master Liquid, 32 gigs of RAM, 3200 megahertz from Corsair obviously, and the Vega from Asus, the Strix. And this is the case. It's amazing. You can see this is the antenna from the motherboard. Is this the top of the case? Very nice looking. As you can see, very clean, very clean. So the cables are coming from here because it's not finished yet. But usually you can put it inside and come out over here with the power supply cable. So we got an Corsair CX 650 fully modular. As you can see, it's very clean build, very clean. I really like it. Impressive. I will try to take off this side panel. You have just 2 screws here, and that's it. And it came out. And this is inside the case. Very clean. I really like it. This is my first ITX build, so I'm really glad for this. Thank you very much. See you next time, guys. Bye.